Programming your key fob for a 2008-2015 Nissan Rogue is a simple process you can do yourself. This allows keyless entry via RFID. First, sit in the driver's seat, ensuring all doors are closed and the vehicle is unlocked with no keys inside. Then, rapidly insert and remove the key from the ignition 10 times within 40 seconds, leaving it out on the 10th removal. Within 45 seconds of the last removal, press the lock button on the new key fob. The hazard lights will flash to confirm programming. If programming multiple fobs, repeat the process for each fob. Finally, exit the vehicle and test the fobs by locking and unlocking the doors. Success rates for this DIY method are around 80 to 90%. If the key fob programming fails, start by double-checking the timing of each step and ensuring you're using a compatible key fob. Many programming failures stem from cheap aftermarket fobs with incompatible frequencies, so using name-brand parts significantly improves your success rate. Online resources can be extremely helpful. Check YouTube tutorials from channels like Nissan Rogue DIY, or use smartphone apps to verify that the key fob sync is working properly. If programming issues persist after several attempts, it may indicate a faulty receiver module in the vehicle. This requires professional intervention at a dealership or auto shop, typically costing between $50 and $150. Looking ahead, by 2030, DIY car repairs like key fob programming will increasingly involve smartphone apps and digital tools for easier verification and troubleshooting. Batteries in aftermarket key fobs can also cause programming failures. Always double-check the product before use to ensure it's functioning properly.